Want to work smarter and get more done in less time? Here are a few AI tools that can seriously boost your productivity. First up is ChatGPT or Claude. These tools can help you write emails, summarize long documents, and even brainstorm ideas, all in seconds. Next is Perplexity AI. It's like Google, but faster. It gives you clean, reliable answers without digging through endless articles. Then there's Notion AI. It helps you organize your tasks, take smarter notes, and even write reports, like having an extra brain on your team. Zapier is another powerful tool. It automates boring stuff like copying data from your email into a spreadsheet, and then sending it to Slack. And if you create content, try Descript or Runway. They let you edit videos and audio just by editing text. These tools can save you hours every week, so why not use them to your advantage? Follow for more smart productivity hacks powered by AI.